Are you looking for some rebranding inspiration? Well, in this video, I look at the Twitter rebrand and how they use layers and textures to create an interesting effect that represents the diverse global conversation. Welcome to Weekly Brand Tips, brought to you by Elements Brand Management. Weekly videos designed to help you unlock your brand's potential so you can stand out from the competition and create impact. Please subscribe using the button below this video, and if you hit the bell notification, you'll be notified every time a new video drops. So Twitter have recently rebranded to reflect the living, breathing nature of their platform. They've moved away from the flat design, or slightly away from the flat design, there's still some of it in there, into a more layered, textured approach to their design aesthetic. The idea of Twitter being the world stream of consciousness, a place where you can have messy, complex, fun, inspiring conversations, was what informed this rebrand. And it was because of this idea of this living flow of conversation that is constantly changing and constantly updating, was one of the reasons why Twitter wanted to move away from the flat design into a more organic, textured, layered approach to make it feel more like it was an organic, living thing. To create some of the layered textured effects they've got, they layered up materials, ripped materials, painted it, and then scratched off the paint to create this interesting, vibrant, almost lived-in feel. And it was that grunginess that makes it feel vibrant and fresh. So what does this mean for Twitter? Well, Twitter's been around for a while now, and over the years there's been a few times where it's lost its way. And with the emergence of new social channels, initially things like Snapchat, but now things like Clubhouse, Twitter has been trying to find its feet, and it needed to focus and clarify where it stood in the market and where it fitted into that social plethora of options that are out there, and why it was relevant and why it made sense. It needed to define itself. The timing for this rebrand is interesting, especially in the wake of some recent controversies with the platform. This is almost like a reinvention for Twitter. It's marking a new era, a new chapter. It's telling everyone that uses it that this is a new Twitter. It's all about moving forward and leaving the past behind. Now, the rebrand, whilst visually won't be everyone's cup of tea, I think what it's done is it's brought clarity and focus to Twitter and allowed them to stake claim to their place in the market. And it gives people the understanding of who they are as a brand and why they matter. Comment below with your thoughts on this rebrand. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Can you see the benefit of it? Let us know in the comments below. So what does this all mean for your business? Clarity is one of the most important things your brand can have, and a focus and understanding that is articulated to your audience in a way that they can relate to it is crucially important. So what you can take from this rebrand by Twitter is to have a look at your brand. What are you staking claim to in the market? Twitter are staking claim to being the world stream of consciousness, the global conversation. That's something everyone can understand. You know, you see tweets read out on the news, or they're quoted in other articles. It really is the world's global conversation, and they've labeled that now. It's always been that, but now by labeling it, it actually means everyone understands the role that Twitter plays, and it makes it more important than what it was before in your mind. It's always been that thing. So can you do that for your brand? What can you stake claim to? What can you attach your brand to? What does it stand for? Why does it exist? Get clear on that, define it, and let people know. Some things to think about that you can ask yourself are: why do you exist as a brand? Who are you as a brand? What problems do you solve for your audience? If you can answer these questions, you are well on the road to having a clarified brand and a focus that you can run with. If you're interested in developing an existing brand, or you're thinking about launching a new brand, we have an online 25-day course that will help you to define your internal brand and get clear on it like Twitter have, and take that defined platform and build a brand that is going to grow over time. If you're interested in that, there is a link in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, videos come out weekly, and they're designed to help you unlock your brand's potential so you can stand out from the competition and create impact. Have a great week, catch up soon, and keep those brands unified.